Assalamualaikum to my supervisor, Dr. Nur Mariana binti Muhammad Din. My name is Nurul Asikin binti Zani and my metric number is A16A1340. Today I will present about my internship company, KGW Logistics Sdn Bhd. Firstly, I will explain about background of the company. The owner of the KGW Logistics, Mr. Roger Wong, found KGW Logistics back in 2005 with a youthful belief that he can be the change that the logistic industry in Malaysia needed at that time. KGW Logistics Sdn Bhd is a Malaysian third-party logistics service company offering a complete array of logistics services and solutions. As third-party logistics service provider, as a third-party logistics service provider company, KGW Logistics offer multiple services that facilitate the movement of parts and materials from suppliers to manufacturers and finished products from manufacturers to distributors and retailers. This service includes the transportation, warehousing, and freight forwarding. After years of continuous growth, KGW Logistics now acting as a major player in their line of business in Asia. The objective of KGW Logistics as a third-party logistic service provider is to continually demonstrate and deliver to their customers the benefits of 3PL company, having supported their customers in various industries such as consumers, constructions, commodities, healthcare, electronics and communications throughout the years. Their service include ocean freight shipping, ocean freight forwarding, full container shipping, freight consolidation and distribution, air freight shipping, custom brokerage, trucking and local door delivery, less than truckload freight service, less than container load services, and intermodal and rail shipping. In KGW Logistics, there are 5 departments. First department is customer service. Customer service responsible to develop strong relationships with the clients and customers, since they work directly with customers and clients of all kinds of businesses. Second department is business development. BD responsible to identify new prospect to acquire new customers or other businesses opportunities, thereby acquiring new assets for a business or expanding existing one. Third department is account of finance department. Account of finance department responsible to prepare and examine financial records. They make sure that records are accurate and that taxes are paid properly and on the time. Accountants or editors perform overviews of the financial operation of a business in order to help it run efficiently. They also provide the same services to individuals, helping them create plans of action for improve financial well-being. Fourth department is sales. Sales department responsible for making sales, growing the business and retaining existing customers. Ultimately, the most important function of sales departments is maintaining relationship with the customers. Last department is human resources department. HR department responsible for recruiting, screening, interviewing, and placing workers. They may also handle employee relations, payroll, benefits, and training. HR managers plan, direct, and coordinate the administrative functions of an organization. Um, Next is the scope that has been exposed to me during my internship period. First is how my industrial supervisor taught me how to key in booking in system. Second is how to do costing. Third is how to sorting an email and replying customers email. Fourth is how to key in and submit manifest for custom clearance. And lastly is handle shipment from booking to end job. Uh, Based on my industrial supervisor, they told me that during key in manifest for submit during key in for submit manifest, we need to check the details in the bill of lading carefully, because the details should be tally, because manifest is the most important job, because if there is a mistake in manifest, customs will charge company for the mistakes. So it really important to uh, to check the details exactly tally. The contribution that I've made during my internship period is before MCO, I've been handled 2 import shipment from key-in booking until payment made. And during MCO, the company asked all the interns to work from home. Throughout my work from home, I've been my job is to key in booking. So throughout the MCO, I've been key in booking as much as 94 booking, 27 of notice of arrival, and 20 manifests. Lastly is challenges and value that I get during my internship period. First is teamwork. As we know, teamwork is very important, because without a great teamwork, a project maybe will not successful. So I'm glad that I have a great teamwork. For example, if I have anything issue or anything that I don't understand, I'll just ask my industry supervisor, and she will explain to me one by one until I understand. Second is problem solving skills. Problem solving skills is very important, also very important, because it shows us how we dealing with customers. My industrial supervisor also taught me how we communicate, how we handle the problems that include customers. Third is communication skills. I also learned it from my industrial supervisor, how to communicate with customers properly, such as how we replying a customer's email and answer customer's call. And lastly is learning skills. Learning skills is very important for me as an intern student, because um, it taught me to be a fast learner, because everything that my industrial supervisor taught me, I need to catch up quickly and apply it on my job. I think that's all from me. Thank you.